Hey everybody, here we have three older Lennox units. I believe those are HS6s or something. I'm gonna have to talk because there's music in the background. Very old. I honestly think this is 60s or 70s. See if we can find us a year on these. I have to constantly talk. Oh yeah, there's a tag back there. Let's see if we can get that. There it is. See if I'll have to go back and look at that and see if I can make anything out. Here is the fan. Lennox. And then over here is a couple smaller versions. I think. Let's see what we can get on these. Looks like the data is either covered over or gone with paint. So yeah. I think the data's gone on them. I think they would have been right there. See if I can show the fan though. But yeah, there's a newer Lennox Elite over here. It is running. I don't know if I'm missing out on any. I'll check just in case. There's one more Elite right here. Has swept fan blades. Swept fan blades, Lennox Elite. Alright. Guess that's it for these. See you guys in the next one.